Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move files between shared drives in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful when you need to reorganize content across different team drives or migrate files to a new department's shared drive. Let's start by opening a web browser and navigating to admin.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google Workspace account. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to access the shared drives you'll be working with, as not all users have this level of access by default after signing in. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like 9 dots arranged in a grid. This is your Google Apps launcher. Click on it to reveal all the available Google Workspace applications. From the pop-up window that appears, locate and click on the Drive icon. This will open Google Drive in a new tab. Now look at the left navigation panel in Google Drive. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Shared Drives to view all the team drives your account has access to. This section is separate from your personal drive files and contains drives shared across teams or departments. Next, open the shared drive that contains the files you want to move. Browse through and select the specific file or folder you need to transfer. You can select multiple items if needed by holding down the Control key while clicking. Once you've made your selection, look at the top bar of the interface and click the Move to icon. This opens the Move to panel where you'll choose your destination. In this panel, click on the option labeled All Locations. This expands your view to show all available storage locations within your Google Workspace. From the expanded list, look for Shared Drives and double-click on it. This will display all the shared drives available to you. Navigate through the destination shared drive until you find the exact folder where you want to place your files. Finally, click the Move button to complete the transfer. Your selected items will now be moved to the destination shared drive. Take a moment to verify that the moved items appear correctly in their new location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.